So now we will see the problem or the question that is based on statistics. We are starting with the questions of statistics now. So here is the question that we want to find mean deviation. I told you what is mean deviation. So we have to find mean deviation, not mean, right? If they ask us to find out mean, so what we do? Number of sum of all those upon number of observation, that is mean. If there is no fixed value, then middle value we find, and we find the deviation from it, right? So here we have to find mean deviation, means how much it deviated from the mean value. So you can see, you can arrange it in this. You can find out first the mean of all those. Mean is what? Summation of all those. So after you add this 24 plus 16, 40, 40 plus this 30, 70, 80. So 80 is sum upon number of observation, that is 5. So 80 by 5, that is 16, right? So 16 will be your mean, 16 will be your mean, right? So this is your mean, 16 is your mean, and after that you have to find deviation, how much it is diverted from the mean value, right? That you have to see. So 10 minus 16, this will be the first, right? Similarly 9 minus 16, similarly from 16 you can calculate it, 21 minus 16 plus 16 minus 16 plus 24 minus 16. Okay, so here you simply have to find the positive terms, not negative. Even though it's coming negative, not need to worry, you have to write it as it is. In previous mean deviation, why we were doing? Because there were class, right? There were class, there were mid values, but here it is not there anything. So you have to just find the deviation from the mean. This comes out to be 6, right? Positive 6. This comes out to be 7. This is 5, this is 0, this is 8. After adding this comes out to be 26. So 26 and number of observation are 5. So 26 is the diverted from the mean of 5. So this comes out to be 5.2. So 5.2 it is diverted. So 5.2 it is diverted from the mean, and this is your answer. So here is a question, you have to find the mod of the given data. There is a marks, means it is range, right? This is range in between what is falling, and there is marks of the students obtained. So you have to see the highest frequency. Mod means simply what? Highest frequency. So you can see 25 is the number, not 25. 30 is the number which is occurring most of the time. So 30 will your maximum highest frequency. Then the lower frequency, the lower limit you have to see, that is L1. Then the higher frequency, that is L2. Okay, then the lower frequency which you give as F1, and the the next frequency, that is F2. So this how you need to sum up. Now after this you have to apply certain formulas in such type of question. Those formulas I am going to tell you. So somewhere in between you come to get certain formulas, but you not need to worry. Sometimes you have to apply formula. Every time everything cannot be happen without formulas, right? So these are statistics is one chapter, and another chapter, few chapters are there where you have to apply formula. So here also you have to apply formula for mod. That formula is, you have to find mod, right? This I told you, lower limit, this is upper limit. So you know that the maximum limit or the mod will come in between this, right? Mod is what? The number that is most occurring. So you know that between this, that number is coming. So you have to see, right? From option you can easily eliminate two options, that is this you can eliminate, because between 15 and 20 they ask, so it is 20.5. So now the lower limit, you know, mod L1, that is it is more than 15 for sure, right? Then F minus F1, so the maximum frequency is what? 30 minus F1, the lower frequency, that is 25, upon 2 times f1 minus f2 f1 2 times f, sorry, not f1, 2 times f minus f1 minus f2 into L2 minus L1. Okay, so I just write down the formula so that you can remember. Mod, whenever there is such type of values given, or there is ranges given, so in that case you have to write formula in such manner: L1 plus f minus f1 upon 2f minus f1 minus f2 into L2 minus L1. Okay, this is the formula that you have to write. That means it must be bigger than 15, and this how you will solve it. After solving this, 15 plus 30 minus this 5, and 2 into f, that is 2 into 30, that is 60. 60 minus 25 minus this 16, you can solve it, right? 25 minus 16, that is 41. So if from 60, if you minus 41, it comes out to be 90. 19 into 20 minus 15, upper limit, that is 20, minus 15, it is lower limit, so this comes out to be 5. So after solving this, we'll come to know the answer. The answer that it gives, answer that you get is what? The answer is 16.3. 16.3 will be your answer. This is your answer. Okay, so this is how you need to solve it, 16.3, by applying this formula. So here in this question we have to find out median. So median means what? The number that is in middle. So there are two cases, one is for odd, one is for even. For odd number, like in this case there are 5 number, right? So for odd you have to first arrange the number in ascending order, right? And then you have to select a term that is n plus 1 by 2. N means odd number, right? So 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 2, that is 3. So third number will be what? Third number will be its median, right? But first you have to arrange it in ascending order. So ascending order means what? From smaller to bigger one. So 10 is smallest, then 18, then 21, then 35, and then your 42. So which is the third number? Third number is this. So 21 will be your answer. Okay. So here is a question. We have to find the median. So I told you the steps to find the median. First step is to arrange the number in ascending order. So first you have to arrange the number in ascending order. So here number is provided to you. So 30, 17 and all those. So ascending order means what? Smaller to big. 17, 18, 30, 39 and 40, right? 17, 18, 30, 39, 40 and 43. So these are how many numbers? 6 numbers are there. So 6 is even number. For even number, what you have to do? You have to add two numbers. First is number from starting, the middle one. So if you see there is 6 numbers, so middle of will be what? 3, right? 3. So 3 from starting, that is 1, 1, 2, and this is 3. So 30 plus from back, same 3 number, third number, that is 1, 2, 3. 39 will be the third number. Divide by 2. So after you do this, this comes out to be 69 by 2. This value comes out to be 34.5. 34.5 is the answer. So here in this question we have to find median. So for median, we can see the marks obtained, number of students, cumulative, all the data is provided to us. So whenever we have to find median for such kind of number, we have to find median means what? Medians means basically the middle value, right? So the middle value you can see by your own that it will lie between 25 to 30, right? You can say this the middle value, and here is a frequency. So you know that it must be between this. So you can eliminate this option, and this as well. So answer will be this, as you know from the question. But for solving, we can do this thing. We have to apply a formula, that is median equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 upon F into n by 2 minus C. Okay, so what is this terms? So L1 will be the lower limit of middle value, L2 is upper limit. Okay, F is frequency. So frequency you can see of that median or the middle value, that is 9 is the frequency, and n minus 2 means cumulative. So cumulative is 40. So 40 by 2 is comes out to be 20, right? 20 will be the this value n by 2. Okay, minus C will be what? C will be a number that is smaller than this one, right? 20 smaller frequency, so 20 below cumulative frequency is what? 13, right? So 13 should be the answer of C. You have to always consider a number that is smaller one. Okay, so L1 is what? 25, L2 is 30 minus 25, frequency is 9, right? For this, into n, n by 2, that is 40 by 2, that is 20, minus C, that is cumulative, that is 1 below is 13. After you do this, you will get the answer. So solving this, 25 plus 5 by 9 into 7, 5 by 9, that is 25. It will be 28.88 as we have already seen. So this is how you need to find out. Thank you.